China is the biggest market for Tesla. 50% of its production, 20% of its revenue. It's a very important market for Elon Musk, and that's showing in his visit today to China to kind of set the story straight, make sure they're on the same page with the CCP. And he was met by the foreign minister. Not too many CEOs, go from one country to another being met by foreign ministers and presidents, but Elon Musk can pull this off.
I'm not sure whether I'm on board with that view, Anthony. I know that a lot of CEOs meet the top ministers in India as well. I reckon that when there's talk of investment, then the government is all ears in any country. But anyhow, what's the call really on expansion plans and the potential of the same in China, given U.S.-China tensions? How do you think Elon would be able to circumvent all of that?
Of course. So if you listen to his earnings call recently, and one of the things he was asked, so what are the risks to projections for next year? And his main answer was a political curveball, like it come from the U.S.-China tensions, right? And he's right. And this is kind of a political statement as well, where U.S. businessmen, including Jamie Dimon this week, kind of telling politicians on both sides of the continents that business needs political stability. So this is one of the I think important trips for Elon Musk this year. He's been active over the last 2 weeks in India and meeting with Ford. That's all on the heels of a historic interview with CNBC after a shareholder meeting. So I think this is a very important trip for Elon Musk.
Right. You're also saying in your notes that year-to-date sales have been good for Tesla and BYD in the region, okay for NIO and bad for XPeng. So what's the differentiating factor? Is it that the price cuts have helped for brand Tesla?
It's been a tough year for EVs in China and globally, right? Because of the political environment, because of the macro environment as well. And now, we ended the subsidies from China last year. You have high rates in the U.S. So we're seeing a lot of price cuts that are eating at the bottom line of these companies, right? And we're starting to see these companies going to get sorted between good, okay, bad, and some ugly, right? So this year it's been okay it's been good for Tesla and BYD. BYD sales Q1 up 90%. Tesla were able to meet barely the bottom range of 425,000, which allowed it to hit its 1.8 million target. NIO also hit the lowest of its range at 30,000. XPeng, however, retreated to 18,000 by 45-50%. And that's also a testament to the new models that were released by XPeng and NIO. Investors or consumers really liking the ET7, ET5. Although the surprise this year is Li Auto, who's been very focused on the PHEV market. They've been able, their sales are beating expectations. Stock is up 40% year to date, and they turned profitable in Q3, which is a major milestone for a company that's only 3 years old.